First of all, I want to thank God. Thank you, Lord, for this opportunity to trade again, to learn again, to be alive, to be in the market this week, to have this opportunity to learn, to earn, to increase our knowledge and our financial literacy. Help us in the course of the week. Open our minds to see opportunities. Let us see beyond ourselves. Let us see the bigger scale of why you created us and how this will play a role, yes, in impacting the world with the knowledge of wealth. In Jesus' mighty name, amen. I want to appreciate each and every one of you that has jumped on this session. And some of you will be watching this recording. Some of you will be live here or are probably, trading and earning with us. But before I jump into, the opportunity of earning, I love to drop this message because a lot of people, this is a very crowded space, and I want you guys to take this very, very seriously. The journey of being consistent in growth or being a profitable trader, it's not totally reliant on how much you know, okay? But it's more tied to basically what you do, your actions, okay? You see, this knowledge that is so that there can be spillovers on knowledge. A lot of people know too much, or a lot of people know little. There are people who know too much, all right, but have bad results. There are people who know little but have good results. What is that distinctive factor that can scale up or increase, give you a foundation of profitability in trading or really leverage this opportunity? I'll tell you, it's not totally tied to what you know, but majorly hinged on what you do with what you know. Now, I find that a lot of people are having challenges even in the midst of resources and availability. Like, let's say you come into this environment without properly guided, you're going to get into knowledge spillover. You're going to get into taking steps that will get you, drained of energy. Rather than benefiting, you find yourself losing because why? You're not properly guided. And there is one major cause, and that's what I want to talk about this morning. There is a major cause of letting your emotion determine your destination or your action. Okay. A lot of people, when it comes to trading, don't be guided by your emotion. Passion, there's something you can be passionate about the knowledge, but don't allow your emotion, because over 80% of your present emotion is fueled by a present need. Do not expose your needs to the market. Do not expose your 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 emotional desires. So desire can be split into passion and want or needs. Do not expose your needs to the market, because what will happen is you're going to drastically tilt towards the result, because negative I put it like this: when you are emotional towards the market, you do not see opportunities, okay, the way you should see them. Just a moment. You do not see opportunities the way you see them. Like you want to win every trade because you have a plan to grow your account. So you want to win every trade. I tell you, trading is about trading, not making money. When you trade right, you make money. There are two things that happen when you trade right. Okay, two things happen in trading. Okay, and it's a result of what you know and practice. So when you're losing money, something is happening. It means, okay, it's a negative effect of negative knowledge. Okay. Now, when you're winning, it's a positive effect of positive knowledge. You want to watch this. What you do. So if you expose your needs, every time you get an appointment, it means you get a trade idea and you just want to win that trade. You do not see the market and the other opportunities in the market, because why? You probably cast all of your eggs. You probably cast all of your desire in that one. And when you lose it, guess what happened? The next thing you think of, all right, you probably want to get the money back. You slide into an emotion of revenge. Now you're not seeing properly. You're not properly clear. You want to watch this emotion. One of the things I've done for myself over the years is I have learned to just trade. Okay. I see different opportunities every day. One thing I do is I get myself to tactically tackle every opportunity that comes my way with numbers. Okay, so I have an amount I want to risk every day. Sometimes I risk above, depending on the trade. Maybe I see above my opportunities. Sometimes the market can present itself with multiple analysis and multiple opportunities within the course of a day, more than expected. So what happens is you may tip towards, more risk. But if you do not know how to manage your account, your risk, trust me, you're going to always lose. Forget about the fact that you're getting good trades. Because what will happen is the day the trade isn't good, you tip away from your discipline. You want to revenge the market, you go find opportunities. Now, one thing a lot of people don't know, and I probably, step out of this session or this side of the session with this information. When you have a negative field effect, it means you expose your desire. If your desire that you need money today, that's a negative field. You are sending a frequency and a vibration of negativity because why you lack. It's a lack mindset. It's a lack field. Okay. It means you're sending that. What do you think the universe brings back to you? Negative. It means you'll be seeing opportunities that will feed that negativity. That is why tune your everybody needs money, but I don't get to send that message that I need money to the market because why? That's me sending a negative frequency. I first have to know how am I going to get that money I need? Tactical, logical. Okay, there's a risk to reward. I have money, yes. Okay, so I'm going to multiply my money. I think about multiplying my money, okay, more than I think about needing money. So what I do is, okay, I have $500 for today. I probably may get 5 trade ideas for today. It means I'll break $500 into 5. That's $100 per trade. It means I have 5 trades to play with today. And I take one, I'm looking out for the next one. I look out for the next one. When I'm not seeing, probably I'll take 2 in one. But I do know that I'm casting off $500 to make whatsoever the risk to reward is. In that way, I'm not putting $500 on one trade, irrespective of what the result has been. I first have to know my average of trades, and I know if in a week I'm taking 20 trades, then I know that week I'm risking, $1,000 or 500 or $100, whatsoever. You put them, cast all your activity into numbers. It will save you the emotions, that spreadsheet of emotion. So when you take a trade and you lose it, you're not bothered because why? Another day is going to come. As long as you have a win ratio, you should be winning in trading. If you do not win in trading, okay, and you have a win ratio, then it all comes back to psychology and risk management. And that is the only way to solve that problem. A lot of people have not been able to beat the effect of psychology, all right? Neither have they solved the problem of risk management because why? They have a spreadsheet of needs and desires that are negative, and the market tends to give and feed that negativity overall. So just get a trading routine that deals with numbers. Okay, there are videos that I've done that has to do with trading journal. If you check my YouTube, you find journal your trade, see your result. Let your result be built on the confidence of the fact that you did a data over time. And now you can invest in that data. If I take 5 trades in a day and I want to risk $500, there is no need for me to put my $500 in the first trade, irrespective of what that result may look like. Am I making sense? Okay, what I do know is I always have treat trading as a game. Okay, a game of losing money. When you treat it as a game of losing money, you're going to be more tactical because for every time you analyze and you take a trade, you're losing money. You're casting money out. So you first lose it from yourself. But now, when you now took that losing money into investing, so I'm investing in the opportunities that I've learned. Okay, when you tilt it, it's just like now I'm going to trade binary. I'm going to see there's no day, okay, only a few times within a day, within a session that I won't find the trade. Okay, almost every day we'll find trades. It means I would always get trades. But what's going to be the marking difference between the opportunities and the result? It's my management. I have money to trade right now. If I go into the market right now, I'm going to find opportunities to trade. Now I may see my first trade. It will be stupid of me. Okay, oh, this trade is very, very good. Let me cast all my bread in that trade. What's going to happen? If I lose it, what's going to happen? I'm going to be depressed, kind of. Okay, I'm going to feel bad. Oh, I wasn't supposed to do that. Oh, why didn't it come to that? I will now begin to find reason why I didn't win that trade, which is not necessary. You win, you lose, but you win overall by playing the numbers. Play the numbers is going to be When you decide to play the numbers, okay, so what are your numbers? That's the first question you want to ask yourself as you move into your trading year. What are your numbers? What are your win ratio? Okay, now I'll talk about leverage. If you're leveraging with us right now, because we're going to be going into a season of leverage where you can now say, oh, I don't want to do the heavy lifting. Let me take my time to learn, but I want to leverage. But I still want to advise you. What are your numbers on leverage? Okay, when you come on the session, what are your numbers? What are your risk factor? How many trades do you want to take? So when you know how many trades, it can be irrespective of how many trades you want to call. I have $200 to risk with you today. Okay, and for the numbers, for the sake of time and everything, I'm only going to take 3 trades. Now, I wouldn't say that's the best way to do, but you can actually come up with your number. I don't know how many trades I'm going to take right now. So what I do is I could give you my idea of trading. Okay. So let's say I want to risk 300. There is no day except I get into a negative field of revenge. I don't exhaust my daily risk. So let's say I want to risk $200 for today to trade. Each trade would probably be $30. And sometimes in my session, I win 2 trades, I'm out. If I win 2 trades by exhausting $100, okay, I still have $100. So I didn't risk all. I'm not the kind of person who I want to risk, so I must find trades to risk $200. That's not how I do it. The risk is $200. The reward may be different. So my goal is if I win 2, 3 trades, I'm done. But my margin is $200. So it means if I'm winning, if I'm taking trades 30 or 50 in 200, I'm just breaking $200 down. So each trade $30 or $50. 2 trades in winning, okay, it means that I reached $100 and I've made an extra $75. I'm done for the day. Are you guys with me? I want to know if you guys are with me. Put 5 on the chat if you're with me. I'm done. It's not because, okay, I'm risking $200 to make $200. No, I don't have a reward plan when it comes to money in minutes. I only have a trade plan. So, oh, today I do $75. Oh, tomorrow I do $50. What's the compounding? So I'm playing it as a game of trading, okay? And when I play that game of trading over time, what you're going to find that the result will, because I am consistent with logic more than emotion, I am always going to be at the end of profitability. I decided to share this message with you guys because some of you are so involved in your emotions and you're less tactical in your approach to trading, and that is why you lose even in the environment of success. So are you guys ready to trade? Put trade on the chat. Let's get started. All right. So for you guys that are on YouTube, what you want to do right now is slide into, no, not YouTube. So let me give you guys, this is a message. Some of you are live here right now. Some of you are on YouTube. We have something very unique to us right now, okay? Every day, almost every day I trade. If I don't come live, I send trade, or the team will send trades for people to make money, both in Forex and money in minutes. The goal for us here right now with 1,000 Banks Bet Academy is to create the biggest money in minute earning community. We want people to start earning money in live session, trading our options. This is a way you can grow your income without necessarily being a skilled trader. It doesn't matter if you like I love Forex. I trade Forex. Every day I call Forex trades. I have more opportunities in Forex, but you see something about this live session every day. We have over 85% win ratio coming on live every day. Do you know if you have an extra $1,000 and you've been trading with me over the last 2 months, okay, you probably would have almost increased it more than 50%. Just taking the trades. You don't have to be a skilled trader. And that's really our attention. Okay, so irrespective of if you like Forex or not, leverage is the key to growth as an entrepreneur. Leverage what you can't do, what you don't have time to professionalize. Leverage it. If you have interest in it, then you now build the skill. So every day I come on at least 4 times a week. I'm going to be more frequent. Okay, and I'm going to the truth is I want people to experience success simply by being humble. Okay, and what we are doing right now is simple. Just copy and paste. So we have, if you're on Instagram or you're on YouTube right now, okay, we have a Telegram group to serve this purpose now. presently now, and it's free. Imagine I'm coming free to just trade with you, and all you just need to do is have an account and copy and paste. Okay, so get on my Instagram. There's a link in my bio. Okay, or someone can put the link. Okay, no, you guys can share it on YouTube. Neither can you share it, except it's me. So what you guys are going to do on Instagram, okay, if you're watching this right now, is go on my bio and click the link. All right, you're going to see the Telegram link and join the group. You see the link to this session right now, or the link to our sessions. It's free. It's a free community. Same goes to you guys on YouTube. Does that make sense? All right. Off. Okay, let us trade. What's the time? Okay. Are you guys ready to trade? No, no, no. No, no, you guys are not ready. Only three. Oh, no, you guys. Are you guys ready to trade? So I need you guys to do something right now. Let me check what's happening on Telegram. How many of you dropped on the Telegram channel? All right, that we are live. Only two of you. You guys are disobedient. So I need every one of you right now. Go on the Telegram channel, on the live picture. All right, put we are live and ready to trade. Why am I sweating? Okay, let's do that so I get started. I hope there's no background sound. Good. And if you have any question, keep it. So if you're new here, the first thing you want to do is first experience it, then you learn it. Okay, you can't learn it. I'm not going to teach you here right now. I want to trade. I want to make money. All right. So in case you're new here, you've not done it before, what you now do is at the end of the session, just ask. I'll guide you through how you can set yourself up. It's just literally opening an account, funding it, then knowing how to buy and sell, which we have videos for that or trainings for that. Simple. You can actually do that today, learn it today, and tomorrow you can start making money with us. Does that make sense? So don't try to force yourself to understand what we're doing here right now. So let's see what this market and funding it, then knowing how to buy and sell, which we have videos for that or trainings for that. Simple. You can actually do that today, learning. Let's see. First we see. Oh boy, I don't like when these currencies are like this. Okay. Okay, CHF. What can we trade? Let me see what's strong on Finbase. Euro CHF should be good. I'm going to check Euro CHF for a buy. If it's good, let's check it. Let's check. That should be the first thing. Let's check. Euro CHF. Euro CHF, 5 minutes is bullish. 15 minutes is bearish. It's not good on 15 minutes, not good on 1 hour. Can't buy that. It's not ready for a buy yet. So I know Euro casted down last week. So I'm not sure. Let's check AUD CHF then. AUD CHF is bearish as well. Bearish on 15 minutes. CHF won't cut it. I'm not sure it's going to cut it. Let's see. Yes, CHF is down, but let's see CAD CHF. See, the whole idea of trading is finding the weakest currency and the strongest currency, CAD CHF. And you pair them together to know if you're going to buy or sell CAD CHF. Bullish? No, bearish. So CHF won't work. What else is there if CHS is not working? What else is JPY? So let's look at AUD JPY or no, AUD JPY. Let's see AUD JPY. Let's see AUD JPY. AUD JPY is bearish. So I think the market is drained. Oh, it's bearish. Sheesh. What about CAD JPY? Let's see CAD JPY. These are drains, they are returning. Man, I hope this guy is not gonna give us a stalemate. Okay, I think I'm gonna go to, let's see, Euro JPY then. No, it's not GBP JPY. Let's see. I try to avoid GBP anyway, but sometimes oh, JPY was bearish last week. Seriously bearish. So 1 hour is bearish. 5 minutes is bearish. So we can buy. We can't buy JPY. We can buy. We can't buy against JPY. And we can't buy against CHF. So that's out of it. So let's check AUD USD and NZD USD. Where is NZD USD? How about NZD JPY? NZD USD, where are you? NZD USD is bearish. About AUD USD. AUD USD is bearish. Come on, what's happening? What's happening? What's happening? Hey, my pro traders, you guys help me find. As I'm searching, you can also search anyone that aligns with this thing. Just let me know. I'm probably looking, I'm searching. So USD is not strong. So USD JPY. Okay, let's see USD JPY. Okay, USD JPY is bullish, 5 minutes. Bearish on 15 minutes. 1 hour better be good. 1 hour. Oh shit, not good. USD JPY is not good. What else? So USD what? USD what? USD what? What again? So USD, man, come on. If I am using this, then I could say USD CHF, USD CHF. It's been a long time I traded USD CHF on binary. It's bearish. Bearish. Okay, bullish on day. If 15 minutes, 15 minutes is slightly equilibrium. 5 minutes is bullish. Can we risk this one? So daily is bullish. So the strongest time frame is bullish. 1 hour is in equilibrium. 15 minutes is, no, 1 hour is bearish, right? Yeah, 1 hour is bearish. 15 minutes is equilibrium. Which means if 15 minutes goes down, it means 1 hour and 15 minutes is going to be bearish, which is not good for the trade. So except you want to play on 5 minutes and daily. Let me look at this trade. Yeah, I think this trade is on a bullish trend. What I think would happen, okay, is market. So let's see this. So market has taken this. It's definitely going to retrace somewhere around here and back. So let me see a pivot. Now this is me trying to just get a trade, okay? And I will just wait. Not that the trade is going to be our best option, but let me just see where 1 hour lies right now. There's a 1 hour area here and here. Is that equilibrium? Equilibrium is around. I think I prefer this, anything lower. It shoots around this area will be a good buy. Let's see. Where does the daily captures? All right, see here. So this is going to be a little risky one in case it comes down, which I'm not too sure. Right now, it wants to come down. I think this market has started a momentum on the upside. Okay. But any of these areas are going to be pivot for a buy. Okay. If it comes to any of this area, we'll find it on timing. Okay. I believe. Okay. So if I'm going small time frame, if I'm looking at this from this other block upwards right now, anywhere around this area, if it decide coming back, okay, will be buy. So I'm just going to drop an alarm on this daily area, which is 796. Okay, that's going to be a buy area that I believe will be ready. Even if it's, yeah, it's going to be ready to buy on USD CHF. So while we're looking at that, did anybody type anything for me to look? So USD CHF is the only thing that I probably want to risk on the session around 796 until I find another thing very credible. That's what I'm looking at right now. USD CHF, it means I'm looking for the market to come somewhere around here, okay, and buy back for 5 minutes. Okay, we'll take the trade and wait for 5 minutes. It's close. So how about currency like Euro AUD? Euro AUD for a sell. Euro AUD for a sell. Okay. Let's look at it here. Euro started going up again, but AUD is still strong. Okay, let's look here. Euro AUD. Let's check that. Euro AUD and AUD card. Let me first check AUD card. I thought I saw. AUD card for a buy, not buying on 5 minutes, neither is it on 15 minutes. So, okay, so let's check Euro AUD. Euro AUD for a sell is bullish on 15 minutes. Okay, bearish on 5 minutes, 1 hour. Can you be bearish? 1 hour is bearish. Let's check daily. Daily is slightly bearish. Oh boy. So this trade is still not bad for a risk. Let's check it. Let's check it. So it's even still bearish on a 4 hour, which makes it still very, 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 very good. I think we could fight this. Somewhere around here is going to be our sell area. What's the time right now? This one just started, so I think I'm going to jump to this one. Okay, guys, I think we'd have a good, so the market has expanded. Okay, there should be correction to any of these areas. It's going to be good. The market corrects back into these areas. So we're going to start looking for sells around 550, 548. Okay, on Euro AUD. They could pull back into this area. I think I'm going to have my first sell. Should be ready. When market gets into this area, it shouldn't be bad. Let's see. I'm going to drop an alarm from the 521 area. So I've got 2 things in my front right now that we can watch out for while we'll discuss. Are you guys ready? So we have 2 things to trade. Let's do some money. Now, at the end of the day, this is my game. Where's my cursor? Okay. Okay, I have 2 opportunities. I've already played in my mind. Okay, what is the risk I'm going to be using? I'm setting them up right now, and we trade it. We lose 3 trades, we're out of the session. So that is Euro AUD. Then while I'm waiting, I'm also going to slide into Forex to see. Today is Monday. I actually caught a trade on US 30. Was deep in profit, almost TP1, and it reversed. I don't know if it's taken us out. It was moving so fast. So I guess that was the London session. manipulation. So let's see, Euro AUD, and what's the other trade? USD CHF. USD CHF, right? USD CHF. Okay, so USD CHF is coming back. Why? Good. So yeah, these guys are we're supposed to actually buy this market because since it broke on the upside, so this was manipulation. This was a low of Tokyo. It's manipulated. So apparently this was a manipulation we got in. Now it's supposed to buy. I believe it's going to buy up to these areas, but I'm not going to get in on the buy. Okay, I'll just take that lesson and watch out for other opportunities. So I did some analysis that you kidding me. So gold will be a good fit for a buy. Okay, it's just that the risk is much, but gold is a good fit for a buy where it is right now. I'm already on buy on gold from last week. But so this is not bad for a one-to-one where it is right now. Let me see what the 1 hour looks like. So 1 hour just broke above. This trade is going to buy up to this area. So I'm already on it. If you feel like this is good, but on the 1 hour, it means you're going to be putting a good run on a 1 hour will be this closing in the next 22 minutes in you kind of open and close above. Then you put your stop loss here. Okay. That will reduce your stop loss. Okay. And put you on risk to reward. But the question is, if the new candle opens, you may actually be close to the stop loss. But this isn't a bad trade for this isn't a bad trade. Either you put your stop loss here or just put it below this area, which is good, gold. All right, which is not bad. So on the 15 minutes, there's been a break, retest. This should be going. So that's my perspective on gold. This all right. I was looking forward to see how this market expanded. If any candle closes, so this is what I'm going to watch out for. I'm going to be watching out for you at the German 30 for a sell. Okay. So what is this? You have not covered this gap. So I think I still perceive that this market is going to come back down. I'm going to wait for it. I'm going to be patient for this market to come back down. If it could close this, it will be fine. But if it doesn't, I'm just going to be looking at the formations on 15 minutes because it retested on the 15 minute, but that's not giving me a sell formation. Okay, so a sell candle closing below this area right now, we're going to have this market drop. So I'm going to be watching out for this trade for a sell. Every 15 minutes, I'm just going to be watching. If a sell candle closes, that's a sell. TP1 here, TP2 downward here. It's going to be a good trade. Okay, so I'm just giving you guys ahead, the trades that I'm looking for while we're waiting for. Man, these guys are not coming back. Why being arrogant? Yeah, so this is likely to pay us today. I'm thinking so. So that is German 30, GBP USD. Okay. I'm not going to sell this boy. Okay, if I do not have a break of structure, which is a change of character here, that's what I'm looking for. I want to sell it, but it's still in liquidity consolidation. Okay, so I'm going to be patient. This trade this week is going to be good. Okay, I'll be patient. All right. So these are my patient trades. There are trades that I do call for London session. All right. Those ones, most of the trades I send, they are intraday trades. Okay. In between the market trades, but I'm just going. Same goes to Euro USD. The week just got started. There's a gap here. I think market is going to come back close below this area to keep selling, or market is going to go above this area. So this is a liquidity dump. It's this expansion. Okay. So if this is a manipulation, then there's going to be expansion. But before that expansion, there has to be a change of character. So if market changes character, I'll find any of this other block for us to sell. So if market changes character, there is fair value gap. So there's a gap between this area, all right, And I think there is a block around this area. So this liquidity would be my premium for a sell. Okay, anything from this area, okay, is going to be my premium for a sell. If this takes this away, setting up, I believe it's going to be good, okay, for the week. Just watching out for that. But daily, okay, daily, the market just structurally, so this was a low. There's been a break of structure. If any break of structure happens here, there's going to be a swing target here. Okay, so here is a deciding point. So I just have a feeling that this week is going to be good, whether on the upside or on the lower side. We're going to have good trades in the course of this week. So you can see battle this area, but it rejected it. Okay, so this was a good sweep. Okay, market made, there was a break of structure here, came back, created a new low. So if another break of structure happens, that's market structure activated, we're going to trade. All right. So so the only thing that I would say is worthy of a trading risk right now is gold. Okay, even though the stop loss is a little bit high, but it's worthy. What's that? Euro AUD. Whoa, one time. 41. So we have 4 more minutes. This guy, why are you going so fast? I still have 3 minutes to timing. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that if you want to administer the trade by just entering on market execution, that on technical, that's fine. So, but on timing, we have 2 more minutes at the close of this candle. Let's see if it pushes up. But sometimes it can run away. So if you want to do a technical, you go use a light risk where it is right now. I don't like one candle. It's a bad trade. I don't like one candle retracement. This one candle bullish retracement. It means something is happening in, oh, guys, so did you guys just see what happened? So let me check. I think there's been a fundamental. Why are you guys stealing our opportunity from us? I don't like it. Ah, was there news? Was there news? Was there news? Today's Monday. What's the time? 10:42. Time is 10:42. Why is it showing 9:42? Let me refresh. Not correct. It's not Casablanca. UTC plus one is in Lagos, yeah. What is our time again? London. GMT plus one, US plus one. GMT plus 01. Is it Belgrade? Budapest, Prague. GMT plus West Africa. Okay. So that's 10:43 Monday. Euro had news around 10 a.m., but come on, I don't know why it's doing this. It's risky. They're the same right now. The only thing that's going to make me get in on this trade is called timing. So Euro is full, AUD is full. Come on, this is... Guys, what do you guys think? Do you think you should take this trade? The dangerous one. One candle I don't like. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take a risky one when it gets to this daily. Okay. That's at the close of the candle, which is going to happen in 4 seconds. Okay. And less risk, don't fight it. It should be going down, but if it doesn't go down, leave it. I'll take 548. I don't feel like taking the trade, but if I want to risk it, let it push up to this area because the strength is changed. In fact, AUD is going down. It's not even encouraging me at all. Ah. What do you guys think? Guys, is but sometimes they are just momentary. It may just be a simple momentum and eventually just cave back. Okay. So here shows they are the same. Here shows euro is stronger. AUD may actually bounce back. Here shows AUD is strong, but both are the same, just that there is a cap on green on this market. So yeah, the candle may close red. So my decision to want to get in is not feeding it, and it's almost taking the whole time. Now it's dropping. So sorry guys, I can be somewhat careful. Because I trade not what I feel, I trade what I see. And if I'm looking by what I'm seeing right, yes, it may change. But what we're seeing right now, it means normally we're supposed to leave that trade. Okay, but timing may not be the helping factor. Timing may be the helping factor. What did I say? Why did I bring you here? Eventually, this guy is trying to close below, which is good. Okay, eventually caved in. Let me see. Probably would have changed. It may change before the time, I believe, before the o'clock. This is gonna change. It means it was a temporary one. Come on. Come on. That was good. That was good. That was good. That was good. Okay, we couldn't help it, but that's fine. If you took it, I know some of you, you don't, your finger is like dreadlocks. It's like typewriter. All right, I mean, if you took it. Look at how it's dropping. Probably may eat back this, okay, to correct this move. See, guys, can you see what just happened? So you just came and took our option away from us. It has changed. It has changed back. And that is going to be continuous sell, like sell, sell, sell. Ouch. 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 You took it. All right. That's fine. In profit, all right. No, no, this is the close. You're done. The moment it changed, like I said, it was going to change. It did change. So it means that candle just push it back for continuous retracement. That was a good trade. That was a good trade. That was a good trade. Now, USD CHF is on a continuous move, which is giving 1 hour. Is it 1 hour? Sorry. What was that? Okay, which is giving 15 minutes more of leverage. So I believe between here and here, it's going to be a good trade around. When it keeps going up, it means we're going to start finding up our position. But this made sense. This made sense. Okay. Yeah, my split second was let it just touch this. I just thought, but I didn't. I'm more of a careful one because I'm the one calling the trades. I have to be careful in front of you. All right. So I believe you guys cleared. If you cleared, put cleared on the chat. Those of you that took it with the light risk. So let's see what the clock has for us. Now, if any one of you have a question, okay, you want to ask, you can actually shoot. All right. It wouldn't be a good idea. Now, I want to tell you guys, it would be a good idea taking it again. Okay. It should be going down from this move, or probably it may actually hit you and drop, but from this type of move, when a candle pushes this and do half, the next thing is a break. But it didn't come here, so I think I'm not afraid of this trade. If that come here and is going back, it's dangerous. Okay, so let's watch out for the o'clock. But if you have any question you want to shoot, you can ask. I'll take any question while we're waiting. Okay. So gold is not moving back up. It didn't get here. Stop playing around. If you have any question, Claire, beautiful. You can shoot. I'll take question. Now, there are no opportunities. What I'm just going to do is take questions. So we have one more opportunity, which is in the next 9 minutes. But between now and that time, if any one of you have a question, you can actually shoot. Okay. Now, I want to ask a question to all of you, since you guys are not asking. What are your plans on making money with us? What are your plans? Everyone shoot on the chat. What are your plans? What are you doing right now in your bid to making money with us? All right. So I'm going to call names. Let's just have a discussion as we're waiting. Anthony, you are the first on my listing. What are your plans on making money with us? What are you doing right now with us? Are you watching? What are you doing? So you can actually unmute yourself and talk with me. You can't talk? No, I'm not hearing you. You're not unmuted. Anthony, are you there? Okay, I think Anthony is big. Billy, there's a Billy here.
Yes.
Okay.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you. So what are your plans?
My God. Hello. My network.
Challenge.
Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you now. Did you understand the question?
Okay. No, I didn't get your question. My network was shaking.
So I said, what are your plans on making money with us?
Yeah, I'm still watching, and I'm planning to credit my account first week of March, and I'm here. I'm ready to make money with you guys. I've always been making money with you, but I've been off for it for a while, so I'm back again. And it's possible how to, impact others, to teach others, to learn. Most important thing is to learn how to teach others, not just to learn. So these are my plans. Thanks for giving me the opportunity to speak.
Okay. You're welcome, bro. Cosmas Arinze.
Good afternoon, boss from the state of Kuwait. I've been following you for a
From the
while.
state of
Kuwait. I'm in Kuwait currently.
Kuwait. Wow.
So I've been following you for years now while in Nigeria, but I've not been earning and I've not been learning. But I just love following you. And this year I made a U-turn when I got to Kuwait. I saw huge opportunities in Forex. I had to buy account. Like I have two funded accounts. I've not started trading with them. I got laptop as equally to equip myself in learning. It's not just about earning too. I want to learn to teach others as well. So I have two basic things in my mind: learning to teach others and equally earning as well. Thank you, sir.
Beautiful, Mr. Cosma. So let me help you. First is make a decision to align yourself with mentorship. Okay, let it be a decision. Let it be a voice that gets you to take action. And if you make that decision that that's going to be my voice, one of the things you want to do is do what I tell you to do. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
That is one of the best ways to scale through your beginning, your uncertain stages. Just do what I tell you to do because I understand the terrain. Okay. The truth, it gets clearer as you go through the process, but be open to go through the process. So if you're telling me right now that following, yes, you've been following me, but what's going to be the proof of your following is when you take actions on this following. Okay. So how am I going to start taking actions? First is align with the vision of what we're doing. Okay, so I need everybody to write that down. It's going to help you. Align. So many of you came here with your mind, which is fine. It's okay. But can you lead your mind? I came into Forex with a mind, but that's not what I'm doing right now. Because why? I couldn't lead my mind. I had to align with the vision of someone who can lead me. Am I making sense? So align, because vision is life. It's either you're going somewhere with a vision and you have the capacity to achieve that vision, okay? Or you are going to learn from other people's vision to align your vision. So two of you that spoke right now, you guys have the vision of impacting others. But guess what? Do you know how you're going to get it done? No. But what am I doing right now? I'm doing it. Am I correct? I'm doing what you want to do. Am I correct? Am I correct? I need an answer. Either you're typing it on the chat or you're responding for those of you that have access to mic. So if I'm doing what you're doing right now, it means you can duplicate it by learning it.
Yes.
Okay? So what you want to do is align with what I am doing so that you can perfect it. So if I am trading binary, get a binary I can trade with me. Okay. You see I'm trading, I'm teaching, I'm trading, I'm teaching, I'm trading. What automatically happens is the environment is going to catch up. You're automatically going to adapt to doing it. Okay. Because now you're learning from a mentor. See, there's something I believe in the scripture. Okay. It says, follow those who through faith and perseverance inherit the kingdom. Following is the key to success. Your ability to humble yourself and follow through instructions of people who are already doing what it is you're doing is actually leverage. Okay. So that is when you want to say, if I say, oh, this community, we want to grow this community, that's something you want to do probably in your future. But if you cannot be faithful to growing a vision by aligning yourself with someone else, who is going to grow your vision? How can you grow your vision if you did not sow the seeds of walking a vision? Am I making sense? So first is see what we're doing. We are, so the goal is to build the largest money in minute community, leveraging over the Forex market. Signals is going to be Boku. We're going to be sending signals for people to make money in Forex, join live sessions for people to see analysis and learn the skill. But now, every day, I want people to have an account to earning money in minutes because that is the new generation of money earning, okay, in this environment. It's switched and it's blessed, okay? So we can have proof of making money as a live community, and we can have proof of skill by learning money in the trading community. So you could leverage. So means you have to prove yourself that you're doing this. Get an account for Forex. Get an account for binary so you can participate. Because as you participate, you're going to also you begin to catch up and learn. Does that make sense? That is for those of you who want to really grow in this environment and get the best result. I didn't just talk to customers. I didn't just talk to Billy. I actually spoke to everyone. Okay, don't miss out on the vision. If I'm trading and I'm growing my account, even if you come in with $500 or $200 or $100 in the next 1, 2, 3 months, it's not rocket science. Okay, you should be percentages higher. And that could be your proof of confidence that, oh, if I could do it with $100, it means I could actually what? Go for $1,000. And you do the same number because now over time, if in 2, 3 months you perfected doing it rightly with $100, you would have mastered the confidence factor. So you're not going to be gambling when you put $1,000. Am I making sense? It's not going to be proof of actions, activity, confidence, okay, and logic. So that's what I'm going to advise each and every one of you. Before I speak my next thing or probably ask another person, I didn't hear an alarm. It means the market didn't come. The market didn't come. All right. And one beautiful thing I want you guys to know is I'm always here. Learning and just having a conversation is profitable. Because why? You're not paying for it, but you're getting value. Am I correct? You're not paying for what I'm doing right now. This is what a lot of people pay for. Okay. So what I'm going to say is take actions bit by bit. So if you have a funded account, label your funded account. So I have trades on gold, I have trades on indices, and I have trades on Forex. For Forex, that's currency pairs. Do not take all your trades in one account. You literally want to set yourself up. If I call an indices trade, take a trade on the indices account. You know why it's good? Because over time, you can watch all your accounts and say, oh, I think I am doing better understanding this trading. Indices has been this, Forex has been this has been, I think I'm not going to focus more because I think I'm getting more understanding and leverage or profitability in Forex. It could give you a decision when you see results that are planned. The reason a lot of people don't know what's happening here, they take one trade here, they take the next trade, and guess what? The lot contract on indices and gold is not the same with the lot contract on Forex. So you may be profitable in Forex, but one trade can take away your profitability of 6 trades. One gold trade can take away, or one indices trade can take away your profitability of 6 trades in Forex. Are you guys getting me? Okay. So understand gold for gold, or you can merge gold, okay, and indices together. Okay. So you can know that these are volatile pairs and this is Forex pairs. So that's one of my guidance I'll give for you guys that are going to be setting up your Forex account. Then most importantly, for your learning, create a demo account or fund a smaller account so you can start taking the trades you're learning in each strategy. There's a video I did last Monday. You want to go watch how I told you guys to set up. I think I posted it last Monday. Okay, I was it last Monday? Monday night. I think it is a Monday. I think it's Monday night. I posted it. So just check Monday how you can set yourself up here. Okay, so that's that. Does that make sense? Put sense in the chat. So question still goes, probably spend the next couple of minutes with you guys. Maybe some of you would like Madam Catherine. Is it Catherine? Kathleen. Tell me where you're joining from. I know you were expecting me to talk to you, and I knew. I've seen it, your expression.
Anyhow, I'm talking to you from London.
Oh, London. Nice.
Yeah. So
I
don't know anything about trading, but
okay.
I want to try a little bit of it.
Okay. So let me give you a guide. So first, there's interest, right?
Yeah.
You have the interest to learn. You have the interest to be profitable in trading.
Yeah.
Okay, good. At your, okay, I want to use the right, I don't know if age is the right word. At your experience, okay, you're big, you're advanced. Your mind is not like our mind, the way our mind works. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're advanced. At your stage, you want to focus more on leverage.
Of course, that's
what I'm telling you. You want to.
Okay, let me get a pen.
You want to write it down, okay?
Yeah, I'm not planning to.
Good. So this goes to
myself.
This goes to everyone who's probably advanced, because the truth is, time is of the essence. There are certain things you may not do right now. Okay, you do better in other things. You do better in other things than what you're doing now. Depends on your plans. Okay.
My own, what I want is if I could just be getting little trades. I'm not going for massive ones. I don't.
Okay, break that down. So let me break that. Let's focus first on leverage. Set yourself up to leverage. Okay, what does leverage really mean for me? Investing, okay, at the capacity of others rather than your capacity. So the whole idea of the program we have right now is, if you notice, there is no day I don't call trades on the group. True or true? There is no day I don't call Forex trades. What that means for everyone here is, you could literally set yourself up, and I just guided you on how to do it. The first thing you want to learn, if learning would come in, is how to buy and how to sell, how to calculate lot size, how to open an account. Basically, and guess what? You don't even need me for that. You don't need me to teach you that. Okay? And the truth is, I've done it anyway. Okay? So, but if I have to do that, which are things when we're launching our app, okay? So our app probably going to be launching, see, I'm doing a lot to make sure everybody benefits. So the nitty-gritties of the how to set up account, the broker to use, how to fund your broker, all of those things, they are going to be short videos. Okay, but if you're here right now, let me talk to those who are here right now, or you're hearing this information is, okay, get a broker. We have access to brokers. So there are two types of brokers. One of the things I'll be doing in the coming weeks is I'll be letting you guys know leverage brokers and live brokers. So I have more accounts leverage. I have few monies on live accounts. Okay. So leverage is I'm using, you get a prop firm. Okay. And you just copy and paste. So you can get a prop firm for each of these accounts I'm talking about right now. And if you're looking for the prop firm to use, you probably just send a DM. I'll give you the prop firm that I'm using. I'll probably, one of the things I'm trying to not do is I don't want people to have this notion that I am trying to restrict you, because I found that I did a feedback. We're using the FX Live community. I kind of have feedback. It's like people resist being led in a certain way. I don't know, okay? People just have this opinion that they want to do things their own way. And the truth is, my goal here is just to guide you. Now, if you want to use your broker, that's fine. But if you need guide on brokers to use based on the fact that this is what I'm using, I would also give you that opportunity. But probably putting it public or say this is what you might use, I'm trying to just take off that. Maybe by questions or answer, or people ask, or, oh, this is what you want to do, or set up, or onboarding, we just say, okay, this is a broker we recommend if you want to use, okay? So presently right now for prop firm, I'm using TenTrade, okay? And I'm also using their live account. I'm also using, FX Live, and a couple of things, we're looking at as well. So if you want to set up, if you're looking at setting up, you could use any of this broker that I've mentioned. And if you need the link to set up on TenTrade, you could just request and I'll send you. That's for a prop firm. Because what does prop firm do? It helps the process of leverage. So rather than take a $5,000 account and put, while you're trying to just find your feet, you could take a $300 and get a 10K account. And what you do, just follow the rules. Risk 1% or 0.5% per trade. Okay, do that. Every trade will just reach 0.5%. You have a 5% daily drawdown. Okay, it means you have to play around 1.5% a day. Okay. And with our win ratio, if you're just taking our Forex trade or even the indices, I use TenTrade for indices as well. You're going to be making money just taking one trade a day for indices. Okay, that's what I do. I only take one trade a day, except the stop loss is very small. These are things I'll guide you guys, but I'm just trying to spill the idea of what you should be looking at. Does that make sense? So open an account, open one for Forex, open one for indices and gold. And when we call trades, it doesn't necessarily mean you should take all the trades. Just take your risk. So if your risk is 2% per trade, calculate what 2% is when you're taking the trade. If it's 2%, break it into 3. All right, take 3 trades. You're done. If you follow that in a week, we'll finish the week, you're going to make profit. So far, so good. In the last, I would say over 3, 4, 5 months, I've been trading. Okay, we've only had 1 week of a lesson, which is 2 weeks ago. Which means if you are leveraging with us, taking trades on the group, you should be growing account, except you are not using proper leverage. Does that make sense? To this point, does that make sense, Madam Kathleen? All right. So set up an account. So get the link, set up an account. All right. If you want to request it, you can just request it from me directly. I'll send you. Any one of you can reach out to me on Instagram. Okay, for setup. Okay, request link. I'll give you the link to set up. So that is for Forex, binary major. At this point in time, so if you're looking at leverage, know how to buy and sell. So if you do not know that right now, okay, how to buy and sell, that is what you do tonight, between now and tonight. Okay, buy and sell. I did a video on one prime option. So if you're in London, you can use one prime option. Every one of you should own a binary account. One prime option for those people outside of the US. For those in US, pocket option. setup, fund. Just take a demo account and learn how to buy. We will call, it's so easy. It's so easy. We will call the number. And you saw what we did now. I'm telling you practically, Madam Kathleen, you saw when the price was coming, I called the price and I say, this is the area. And all you need to do is just look at your screen, the price get there. And as I'm taking it, you're taking it. Am I making sense? Do you think that's hard? No talk, I'm not hearing you. I want you to talk. Just click on mute.
All right. So I think for you, it might not be too hard, but at the moment, it's too hazy for me.
Yeah, it's easy because you don't yet know the platform. You have not familiarized yourself with the platform, the buy, the sell. Okay, which is something you can do between now and tonight. Because what you just need to focus on is buy. So binary is 4 things. Okay, either you buy and sell, which is the order. I'll tell you what to buy and sell. Currency, which is the currency pair. The moment you know how to select the currency pair, okay, and you know how to click a buy, it means 2 things. You weaponize 2 things. The next thing is I'll tell you the price to enter.
Okay.
Something you can visually see. If the price get there, we say buy, you buy. And sometimes I tell you I'm in. It's there right now, let's take it. So it means if you know the currency, you know how to click a buy, and the price gets to your own area, we buy or we sell. Okay, then the next thing is the time. I'm gonna tell you, okay, so we have order, currency, area, and the price. Okay, then the only thing you have to do for yourself is know how to calculate your risk. So I'll tell you 1%. So if you had $1,000, you're using $10 or $10 per trade for 1%. Yeah. So $10 for $1,000. Okay. Or you say you want to use 2%, that's $20 for each trade that is taking. So the moment you do this thing and you just wait for me to call the trade and wait for it to get there, do you think that's a hard process? I'm not telling you to learn any of the skill yet. Just learn how to buy and sell currency. That's leverage. Focus on that first before you try to think to learn the strategy. Okay. So set up
the demo account. Yeah. So which of the people do you think I will get this from?
Okay, so what you want to do right now, if you go on the pinned message, okay, let me just share, let me put it out here. Where's my Telegram? So there are resources on the pinned message. This is, pay attention, here are our new trading schedule. So when you click, use this link to set up, so this is it. So pocket option is for those in US, while one prime option is for those in outside of the US. So it means you in London, you can use one prime option. The moment you open an account here, okay, so there's a video that I did how to open a one prime account. Okay, it's also here. So copy this link. You can actually go to the pinned message, just click and you'll find it. So there's a video that I did. So this updated trading resource. So when you click here, you see the perfect entry trading strategy, trading approach, how to open a one prime account for FFX and use it.
Okay.
All right. All right. So you can open a demo account and you can start using the buy. I talked about the buy. This thing I just mentioned here on the score right now, I talked about it. So today you can actually do that for yourself. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So you have an idea on what to do right now?
Yeah, we go to the pinned message and I'm going to have a look at it.
Beautiful. All right.
Yeah.
So any other person want me to ask you what your, is there anyone who want me to ask? I know Edith, you've been trading with me. Akil Money, you've been trading with me. So I don't need to ask you. Jonah, I think Jonah is in new. Jonah, what's up? What's your plan? You got a question, right?
Yeah, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Yes, I do have a plan. So seriously, I don't know what to say, but I have been with you for years now. I have been an admirer from afar. Just that the challenges I've been having is trying to meet up with capital and some certain personal challenges on how to deal with funds. But I just saw this on the general group chat, so I thought I should join. Most times, when you look at trading, it's really frustrating for me. But anytime I come on your life, there's this sense of hope that comes with it because There's a way you break down every bit of it that gives us a hope that yes, there's something that we can actually do for ourselves in the later run. So I'm really working on capital now, so that I just came here to stay motivated while I'm still working on capital, because the money